Before moving on to the next lesson, please try this warm-up. Pause the video and see how you do. You were probably okay with the first one. Slope is rise over run, so between 2 points on the line, we can find the rise and the run, divide, put in lowest terms, we get the slope is -3/2. But for the second and third one, you probably had some trouble, because if we look at this line, well, the 2 points have no rise between them. So the rise would be 0, and the run, well, the run is infinite, really, because the line keeps going in either direction. So we have 0 over infinity. Well, okay, we might be able to figure this one out. 0 divided by anything is still 0. So for this one, the slope would be 0, okay? What about this one? What's the rise? Well, there's an infinite rise. It doesn't matter between 2 points. The rise it's perfectly straight up and down. And then the run, well, the run, it's not going left or right at all, so the run is 0. So we have infinity divided by 0. What is that? If you try to divide any number by 0 in your calculator will say math error or something like that. So we would say this is undefined. And that simply means there's no definition. You cannot put a number to this slope. So the best way we can describe a slope like this is that it's undefined. But we will talk more about horizontal and vertical lines in a later lesson. For now, this is just an extra treat. In this lesson, we're going to talk about graphing given slope and a point. So this is all about if you know the slope and you know a point that is on the line, how do you graph the line? Well, that's what we're going to talk about. So here's some things to keep in mind as we go through this lesson. You can graph a line if you know the slope and a point on the line. So there's 3 steps to follow to graph a line if you know the slope and a point. First, plot the point on the grid. So use the coordinates to plot the point. Second step, use the slope to count rise and run to find the next point. And now that you have 2 points, third step, draw a line through the points. So that's the process that we're going to follow in the next examples. A line segment has one endpoint of A with coordinates 2, 3, and a slope of 1/3. Graph the line. So we're going to follow those steps that I outlined before. First, we're going to plot the point. Well, the point is right here, 2, 3. X coordinate is 2, Y coordinate is 3. So we go over 2, up 3. And that's where our point is. Now I'm going to use the slope, 1/3. Remember what slope is. Slope is rise over run. So from my point, if I have a rise of 1, that means I'm going up 1 and to the right 3. So from my point, go up 1 to the right 3. So now there's a second point. And you can keep that pattern going. You can go up 1 over 3 and put another point. You can even go backwards and go down 1 to the left 3. And there's another point. Do it again. And you can keep that pattern going, and you can put as many points as you want. You really only need 2 to be able to draw a line between all the dots, and there's your line. So let's try another one. Graph the line with a slope of 3 that passes through this point, -1, 2. So why don't you pause the video and try this one and see how you do. So my point is -1, 2. So that means from the origin I go left 1, up 2. There's my point. My slope is 3. Remember, if you have a whole number, that just means as a fraction it's 3/1. So that means I have a rise of 3 and a run of 1. So up 3 right 1. So from that point, I'll go up 3 over 1, up 3 over 1. And I can even go backwards, down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1. Once I have some points, I just draw a line through it, and it's as easy as that. So as you're working through problems like these, just remember the steps, plot the point, then use the slope to find another point, and draw a line through the points.